Hello guys, in today's video I want to dig deeper into the reasons why I sound the way I sound, which is monotone and maybe boring. You could say I sound boring because I talk with the monotone voice, or as Nina said, that I sound like I want to kill myself but I haven't figured out how yet. So yeah. So let's dig deeper into the reasons why I sound like this. I think one reason is that I've been very shy. I think I still am a bit shy in front of this camera in public places. And it's also part of the Finnish nature. I mean, Finnish mentality, not to stand out too much from the crowd, keep your head down, don't get attention to yourself. So maybe that's one of the reasons why I just can't let myself fully be who I maybe want to be, or who I truly am inside, or why I can't just let all of the energy flow out of me freely. Maybe I just hold back somehow a little bit because of that, how I'm raised and what kind of environment I have grown in. This affects a lot. But of course, that's my basic personality, calm, and I've been very quiet. I still am quiet, I think, or at least that I hear from the other people that I'm quiet. I don't talk so much in public in some groups that I don't know so well, but I've gotten more social during these past years and during my travels. I think I've improved a lot during solo traveling. I don't know if I need to be so excited now, but I could be more excited about life like I really am. Why I sound so melancholic. Life is fun. Life is not so serious. That's what I always say. Don't be so serious. Then I myself sound so serious in these videos. Okay, I'm trying to change that now. And there's actually a reason why I need to do that now. In these 2 days actually. Because I've applied for a job that includes performing in front of the camera, and I think they will want me to smile and be entertaining in front of that camera. So I have 2 days to improve on that before that interview. So let's try to be more exciting and entertainment. Entertain? What is the adjective? Entertaining. Let's try to be more excited and more entertaining, alright? Okay, I'm smiling already. It's working. Okay, I guess it starts with a smile. From now on, I will start my videos with a smile. And naturally, it comes looking more happy and exciting, or excited. And what can I do to change that? What can I do to sound more exciting, more excited about life? Another part of Finnish mentality is not to show emotions, being stoic. And that's actually the thing I've practiced a lot in poker tables. In poker table, it's beneficial not to show emotions when you're playing a hand Now I should try to do the opposite of that. Show all the emotions and be so open about everything. Open up myself. Yeah. It's going to be a challenge, but challenge accepted, like Barney would say.
Challenge accepted.
I like challenges, and I believe I can be whatever I want to be. I have just dealt a certain kind of hand, but I can play it the way I want to. Fake it till you make it. Maybe there's something to it. For example, if you feel sad, then just force a smile on your face, and suddenly you feel a little bit better. Did you hear that? Did you see that? Flap, flap, flap. That was funny. Now I'm smiling. It's working. So now we need to make this more entertaining as well. Well, I'm a creative person and I have a good sense of humor as well. Just have to use it in these videos. But not every topic is like that kind of topic that you can just use some humor in it. But I will find some way to use some entertaining elements on my videos. And for these 2 days of filming, I will focus on making this more entertaining and not so boring, keeping an exciting face and keeping the momentum going. Not so slow-paced videos. Those have their place, but now it's time for something different. And I believe many of you have wished for me to make something like that instead of this boring philosophical videos that I really enjoy making, but I can also enjoy some fun stuff, more fun stuff. All right, see you tomorrow, even more excited than today. Ciao.